What's up, me and you fam? We are bringing it back today with another Costco Keep or Return. This time we are going full F1 mode. Wow. It's typical Friday night browsing the aisles of Costco. And we came upon this cool toy here. I have the Formula One racing RC car by Maisto. We decided to grab the Red Bull Max Verstappen version. They've got Mercedes, they've got Ferrari, but this is the one we went with. Went for $69.99. I think it's the same price online. We want to see if it's worth it or if it's going back for a return. Here we have it, the car itself. Comes with the controller, extra wheels, some accessories. It goes a max speed of 10 miles per hour. Wow, that is fast. Comes with the batteries, charging.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
How does it go, Kiana? 6.4 Li-ion, lithium ion rechargeable battery pack, 900. Comes with this to charge it. USB power. These are for the controller. Duracell, fancy. Batteries in, put this back. So, handy dandy helper. You have the controller here, the car here. There's a button on the bottom, on and off. It is now live. Hot car. Okay, and the controller here. Now it's on. You see the flashing red light. That's solid. It's ready to go. This thing is a 1 to 10 scale, and check out all these little minor details. The logos, got like all these little nooks and crannies and crevices. It looks like a real F1 car. It's the real deal here. Got the Cash App, the Oracle, Red Bull. It's got the M Verstappen, Mobile One, Honda, you know. These tires feel really nice. It even comes with an extra pair of rubber tires for when these wear out. It comes with the tools for you to replace them as well. It's got that suspension, very nice feel, high quality materials. Oh, and it's even got authentic engine sound. I feel like I am on the track. Here's this proportional steering where you can just, you know, control how far left or how far right you want to go. Ooh. All right, time to test if it drives as good as it looks. Whoa. So straight line test was good. Turn radius was great. Easy to control. You can do 360s. Wow. Donuts. So this is why they give you an extra set of tires. Nice circle. Turn radius is good. Should be more like this. Right, so we took it for the test drive and this thing was fun. It was fun to ride, it was fun to watch. The range was pretty decent. We took it for about maybe 100 feet, 50 yards until it started losing some connection or connectivity, but it lasted us a good 25, 30 minutes. Fast enough to be fun, but still safe for kids. Honestly, a great gift for any little one or F1 fan. It really is. For any RC fan, F1 fan, just kids that love cars, it is so much fun to play. If you have a nice big open space like the park or in your driveway. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good price too for $69.99 through Costco. Can't really beat it. Online you can see something similar for $100+. And it may not even be as good quality. For us, this is a definite Costco keep. And the series goes on until we find one that's a return, but Right now, we've got all good keeps. All the links and descriptions and information will be in the box below. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you in the next one.